You see? You see the sun there? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare dough for Koko Hausa. This is my millet. This is millet. You see the sun there? So I want to cover it and leave it for 24 hours. Thank you for watching. So, beautiful people, our millet is ready to blend. You see? So, I want to go. This is my spicy that we want to use. This is Negro pepper, red pepper. We have ginger, clove and black pepper. Let's go to our commercial machine to blend it. So beautiful people, as you see, we are back for the grinding machine. You see the way they blend it. So I want to save it. Let's leave it like this. So this is my civic clothes. This is clean water. the shaft. So we are done with this. See the shaft of this, the millet. See. So this one you can use it to prepare swallow. Okay. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to cover it and leave it for some hours. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help me to subscribe, share our video with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Try and prepare it for your family. Thank you. So, beautiful people, this is our millet. As you see, it has settled down. Okay, we leave it for 5 hours. You see, this is the water millet. This is my flower bag, so I want to use this for so the water will stream out. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. People, it's ready now. dough, spicy millet dough. Thank you very much for watching. This is nice. Thank you very much for watching. You see, no more water. This is dough. So people, this is our spicy millet dough. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment, and see where we'll be using it to prepare delicious food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Try and prepare it for your family.